Heard of handcrafted popcorn? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home team of Keller Williams, bringing you another one of our local Kansas City favorites. PopCulture Gourmet Popcorn and Ice Cream is a chef-owned shop serving sweet, savory, and spicy popcorn, plus hard-scooped ice cream. There's even an assortment of vegan, gluten-free, and dye-free flavors. Now, some of customers' favorites include cinnamon toast crunch, birthday cake, and chocolate drizzle. But no matter what, there's a wall of samples for you to try so you can pick out your very own favorite. Let's take a look inside. I know, doesn't that look like a wonderful treat? So here's the two favorites I'm taking back. My unique flavor is loaded baked potato, and it is so good. And my go-to is salted caramel cinnamon with extra cheese. Hope you can comment below with the favorite snack that you'll be snacking the day with, and subscribe for our next Kansas City favorite.